Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to search Gmail by date. So firstly open Gmail application on your phone and then tap the searching field at the top, and then you want to use the filter. So for example, I need to find an email that was before 1st April 2025, for example. So I type before, 2 dots, and I need to type date. Click search. Okay, so I don't have that much emails, so no emails are shown to me. Okay, but if I change it to after, here you can see the emails that are sent to me after the 1st April of 2025. You can see it's just the regular filter, and it's very convenient for finding quickly your emails. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.